Hey YouTube, once again, back with another video. Today I got my hands on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This one is, let's see, Apple Watch Ultra 2 49mm titanium indigo alpine loop large. If you're like me, you've got some big wrists, and you can see my Apple Watch tan line. Alright, so let's take a look at this and get this bad boy open. Just keep that out of the way because it had my serial number. Alright, take a look at this. The Alpine Loop, you can see it. Almost like unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra. The first gen. Open it up. Has all three models, Alpine, Ocean, and Trail. Has your instructions. It tells you what all the different items are. Case, lightweight, corrosion resistant, titanium, sapphire crystal, side button, depth gauge and altimeter, crown guard, and 3 microphone array. This side you can see GPS, action button, international orange, high visibility for quick access at a glance, and the siren emits a high intensity sound pattern using a wide range of frequencies to attract help up to a distance of 600 feet away. Then it tells you which one's the power button, how to charge it, and then it shows you the compass app, waypoints, elevation, backtrack, and waypoints. Here is the depth app. It has a depth gauge, current water temperature, duration, maximum depth of session. So you have current depth and maximum depth. For exercise, your action button, press to start your workout, press again to mark a segment, advance to the next leg or start the next interval. Workout app, advanced metrics, and heart rate zone training. Then, of course, you can customize that more if you need to. Alright, the last page, you have your paperwork, some safety information, and you have the back. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like all one mountain as you completely open it. You can see it's going from one side to the other. Alright, move that to the side. Next up is the actual watch itself. Alright, yep, let me crack these open. Be careful not to get my IMEI in there. Now let's see what we got. Nice. Take a look at this first. This, you open it up. It is your braided cable again. USB-C to watch charging puck. Easy enough. And here is the watch. Let's take a look at this. Open it up. Slide it out. Try to slide it out without breaking it. Already getting some fingerprints on the screen. Look at that. Microphone, speakers, power button, rotating button. Nice. This thing looks good. Let's see. Alright, there's no information on there. There's the bottom of it. You can see it's ceramic. Sapphire glass on top. It's a good looking watch. Alright, set that to the side. Now, let's take a look at the Alpine Loop band that I got. Let's see. Alpine Loop, titanium G-hook closures, carbon neutral, designed for Apple Watch Ultra models, compatible with 44 and 45 as well. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Shows you how to attach the bands. You just slide them. Pretty simple. Adjust band to fit. You just pull it. It's all Velcro and it will adjust to fit. Or is it Velcro? No, it's not Velcro. I didn't get the trail loop. I got the Alpine loop. So the Alpine loop you actually have to hook in. So we'll show you how to do that. Set that to the side for a second. Just some quick instructions. Let's take a look here. Thought I got the trail loop, but I mean, yeah, the trail loop, but I got the Alpine loop, which is fine. Nice color. I went with the new color that they had for this year. Last year I got the orange one. Go for something a little darker. So it's very easy. You fit it around your wrist. Then that just slides in and you are connected. Actually, it's going to go, oh, it goes that way. Alright, let's put it on. So I like having the loop, shoot. Yep, I think that's the right way. I like having the loop on the bottom. Alright, so then you slide your hand in, like so. Just take it. Oh, I need to put it in one more notch. Flip it over. And slide it right in. And that is the Alpine Loop and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching.